In this video, we are going to discuss about some popular ways to monetize Instagram account. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe this channel and enable the bell icon. So let's get into the video. First way is influencer marketing. If you have a large following on Instagram, you can partner with brands to promote their products or service to your audience. Brands may pay you a fee for each sponsor post, or you can receive commission for each sale made through your affiliate links. Influencer marketing is the first way. So second way is sponsored content. You can also create sponsored content for brands or business that align with your audience. This can include product review, sponsored giveaway, or sponsored stories. Third way is sell product or service. If you have a business, you can use Instagram to promote and sell your product or service. Instagram offers various features to help businesses sell directly through the platform, such as shoppable posters and stories. Fourth way of monetizing your Instagram account is by advertising. So Instagram also offers advertising options for businesses, allowing them to reach a large audience and target specific demographic. As an Instagram account owner, you can sell ad space to business in your audience. You can promote product or service through affiliate marketing and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate links. You can find affiliate programs for products or services that align with your audience and niche. And finally, the last way is sell your own products. If you have a talent for creating unique or interesting products, you can use Instagram to promote and sell them directly to your audience. And one thing remember, building a successful Instagram account takes time, effort, and dedication. You will need to create high quality content, engage with your audience, and consistently post to grow your following and attract potential monetization opportunities. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.